Reports by leading health organizations tell us two things. One, firearm injuries are now the leading cause of death in children from birth to age 18. And two, the number of firearm deaths in children is rapidly increasing each year. The good news? We can help prevent these horrific childhood injuries by practicing safe storage. Safe storage devices help prevent kids and teens from using your guns without permission or supervision. Cable and trigger locks can be used on both handguns and long guns. Larger safes work well for families with multiple firearms in the home. And lock boxes, which work best for handguns, can be used both at home and in your car. Each type of safe storage device can be purchased at major big box retailers. If you're not sure which option is best for you, visit strongforlife.com/storage for more information. Today, we are going to learn how to secure a firearm using a lockbox. First, look for one that's sturdy and tamper-resistant, is made from durable materials, and has a reliable locking mechanism. Key locks are less secure options because the keys are so easy for kids to find and use. Biometric or fingerprint locks are the most secure. They will only open if your unique fingerprint is pressed to the keypad. Many models allow you to program multiple fingerprints so that other caregivers can access the firearm too. Combination lockboxes like this one are affordable and easy to use. Choose a combination your child will not know or guess. Avoid using birthdays, addresses, or numbers from familiar passwords or logins. Also, avoid writing it down. That way it can never be found by a child or an intruder. When you open the package, you'll find 3 things inside. Of course, we have the lockbox itself. Because it's so compact, you can install it in a location that's easily accessible, but also hidden from sight. We also have installation hardware that should be used both at home and in your car. In fact, most firearms that are stolen are taken from vehicles, so you definitely want to secure your lockbox when it's in your car. This option allows you to bolt your lockbox down, for example, inside the trunk of your car or to the inside of your bedside table. As another option, you can use this cable to secure your lockbox, either around the leg of a heavy piece of furniture or to part of your car. As soon as you get your lockbox, you'll want to set your combination. Each model will come with step-by-step instructions. This one has instructions here on the side. I'm going to take you through these now so you can see how easy it is to do. First, turn the lock clockwise to the open position. Then open the box and locate the gold switch on the inside. If you look closely, you can see an etched A and B here. We want to move it from A to B. This position allows you to set the combination. Once you're on B, turn the dials so you land on your 3-digit combination. Then set it by moving the switch from B back to A. Now you're ready to secure your firearm. Place it in the lockbox, close the lid, and turn the dials to set your lock. The safest way to store your firearm is unloaded with ammunition kept in a separate, locked container. Lockboxes can provide quick access to both your firearm and ammunition in an emergency, while also keeping them secure when not in use. Using a lockbox is an important part of keeping your family safe. Remember, responsible gun ownership includes safe storage. For more information on firearm safety, visit strongforlife.com/firearms. For additional guidance on how to store your specific firearm, contact local law enforcement or your local firearm retailer.